History fascinating, isn't it? People worldwide crave insights into our past. Some savvy YouTubers term this curiosity into a thriving business. They craft bite-sized videos delving into historical facts. Take this channel, for example. It emerged just 8 months back and has already amassed an incredible 282,000 subscribers. Most of their content racks up millions of views, showing the immense appeal of this niche. And when you look at the numbers, they're pulling in an estimated $1,000 daily and $16,000 monthly. How to create viral shorts using AI, and how to create viral historical story shorts and Reels videos using AI. In this video of Best YouTube Niche for Beginners, I'll showcase how to create viral historical videos and similar content using AI tools. So, without delaying any further, let's jump right in. Let's start by making a script for our high CPM niche YouTube video. I'll use ChatGPT to generate it. Do you have a topic in mind? If not, no worries. I can suggest some ideas. Sure, here's a simplified version of how to make videos like AI Historian. Ask ChatGPT for ideas. Say, "Hey ChatGPT, I want a YouTube channel about historical facts, but don't have ideas about how to make videos like Stellar Saga. Can you suggest some?" ChatGPT will give us good ideas, as you can see. Let's choose Unsolved Mysteries from History. Now, let's ask ChatGPT again. Can you provide 10 topics about unsolved mysteries in history? Thank you. Here are ChatGPT's 10 historical controversies. Absolutely. Let's focus on narrowing down these options. I need to choose just one from the 10 topics, but it's tricky to decide. I'll ask again, and this time, select the top 3 topics based on their popularity on social media platforms like Google. I've chosen the Bermuda Triangle. Now, let's ask ChatGPT. Thank you. Can you create a 200-word script about the Bermuda Triangle for our short video? If you're aiming for a longer video, you might consider increasing the word count. Now, ChatGPT has created a script for us. Let's copy the script and paste it into a document file. Absolutely, ChatGPT does offer video script generation with visual suggestions, which is fantastic. When it comes to generating images, Midjourney stands out for producing high-quality visuals. However, not everyone may have access to a subscription for Midjourney. Hence, I'll opt for Leonardo AI to create images. Head over to Leonardo AI. If you don't have an account, sign up using your Google or email account. Once on the dashboard, choose Leonardo Diffusion XL as it excels in producing high-quality images from brief prompts. Let's take the scene description from the document file and paste it into Leonardo's prompt box. Once done, hit the Generate button to initiate the image creation process. Once the images are generated, download all 4 of them. Then, return to the document file, copy the details of the second scene, and paste them into the prompt box in Leonardo AI. Click the Generate button to create images for this scene. Repeat this process for all scenes to generate images accordingly. How I make story videos using AI. Great. Now, let's proceed to assemble videos using these images. Certainly, while Picolabs and Renwaymo are options. This time I'll utilize a free image-to-video generator called Moon Valley AI. You can access Moon Valley AI by clicking Try the Beta from this page to kickstart our video creation process. This AI bot operates exclusively within Discord. To use this tool, you'll need a Discord account. Sign up and input your display name here. Click Continue and complete the human captcha. Select Head-to-Head and then identify the item that's not included. Afterward, check your Gmail inbox for a verification email. Once received, verify your account. Finally, click Continue to Discord. Upon arriving at this page, you'll encounter the welcome channel of the Moon Valley AI server. Here, you'll find guidelines, rules, and instructions to get started. Begin by joining a new Moon channel. Let's say I join this channel. Once in the channel, navigate to the text box and type a // Now, among the command templates, choose the /create option. Upon selecting it, input the text prompt, using the scene details as your prompt. Next, opt for the video style. I'll choose realistic. Then, pick the desired video duration. For this instance, I'll select the long version. Once the text prompt and video style are chosen, you can include a reference image. I'll use one from the first scene. Upload the image and set a camera motion by choosing options like zoom in, out, or from the top 5 choices. When everything is configured, hit the Enter button. This will generate the video. Upon completion, click the download icon to save the video on your device. Repeat this process for all the images and scenes to generate videos accordingly. Sure thing. Once the video is generated, it's time to create a voiceover. Instead of recording my own voice, I'll utilize an AI tool called Flicky to generate the audio. To access Flicky AI, click on Sign Up from this page. Sure, let's create an account using your Google or email account. Once the account is set up, click on the New File button from this page. We'll proceed by entering the required data. To start, choose the file type as audio only, followed by selecting the language and accent. Let's keep it English and US. Provide a name for your file. Then, select an empty file and click the Submit button. Moving to the audio generation page, locate and click on the voice actor named Sarah. You'll discover a wide array of voice actors available. Take some time to listen to a few samples. Then choose the preferred voice actor for your audio. Certainly, once you've chosen the voice actor, ensure to click on Apply this voice to all the voiceovers. Now, head to Google Docs and copy the first narration text. Paste this text into the voiceover text box in Flicky. To continue, click on the plus icon to create a new text box. Return to Google Docs, copy the next section of the narration text, and paste it into the second text box in Flicky. Repeat this process by creating new text boxes and pasting each section of the narration text until all parts are included. Once all steps are finished, return to the common scene and click on Choose File. Select suitable background music for your video. When you've made your selection, click on the Download button. Now, you have the videos and the voiceovers ready. How to edit story videos. It's time to merge them using video editing software. You're free to use any software, but this time I'll use CapCut. It's a free and user-friendly option for how to make story video using AI. Sure thing. Once you're in the editor, bring all the videos and voiceovers into the media bin. Next, place the voiceover into the audio timeline. Then, add the first narration across the video timeline for the first 4 videos. Use the speed adjustment button to decrease the speed. Align each video segment with the corresponding narration audio, ensuring synchronization. Repeat this process for the subsequent narration videos, adjusting their speed to match the respective audio. Certainly, to adjust the video length according to the script, select the video footage and navigate to the speed option in the right tool panel. If you need to extend the duration, decrease the speed. Conversely, if you need to shorten it, increase the speed. Take the necessary time to ensure the video syncs properly with the audio. Let's synchronize the video length with the audio. First, adjust the aspect ratio by clicking here and setting it to 916. Next, set the scale to fit our video size. You can do this individually for each video or select all at once. To select all, press the Control button on the keyboard and click on each video one by one. Once all videos are selected, increase the scale. This will enlarge the scale of all the videos, aligning them to fill the screens according to our required size. After adjusting the scale, set the position and size of each video as needed. Now, set keyframes for all the videos according to our requirements. Adjust the keyframes accordingly. I'll move ahead to save time. Now, all the keyframes are set. Next, let's establish transitions for each video and add transitions between consecutive videos. Adding transitions between scenes can enhance the overall appeal of the video. Looks great. Moving on to the effects section. Let's navigate to the effects panel here and add some effects to enhance the video's appeal. Consider adding animations to the video clips to make them more engaging. Apply effects based on the video's requirements. Drag the effect onto the video. If you want the entire video to have that effect, simply drag it onto the video itself. We'll explore effects like rain, mist, lightning, and others to elevate the video's quality. Once we've completed the previous steps, let's proceed to create subtitles for our viral historical story shorts and reels videos using AI. Access the text tool and select the auto caption tool. Choose the language for your video. Then click the Create button to generate subtitles. You might notice that the appearance needs improvement. To address this, select the subtitle, and in the right tool panel, change the font style. Opt for a bold font to enhance readability and appearance. Then, increase the text size and modify the text color. Choose a catchy and appealing color that works well with the video. Additionally, add a stroke effect to enhance the text's visibility. Moving to animation, access the Animation tab and select the caption option. Consider using the pop-up animation. This will make the subtitles appear one by one, enhancing readability. Now, in the audio section, select the effects and sounds suitable for our video. These audio elements will contribute to a more immersive and realistic experience. Apply audio effects based on the scene's needs. For instance, I'll apply the ocean effect since we have scenes related to ocean water. All audio effects have been applied. Absolutely. This is a well-crafted how to create viral shorts using AI. Following these steps, you can create an unlimited number of historical videos for your channel. I think this is a well-made history short video. In this way, you can make unlimited historical videos for your channel. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Learnify AI for more exciting tutorials. Thanks for watching how to make AI-generated video. Stay tuned for more awesome videos.
Welcome to one of the world's most enduring mysteries, the Bermuda Triangle. Spanning between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this enigmatic region has intrigued explorers and scientists alike for decades. Legend has it that ships and aircraft mysteriously vanish without a trace, earning the Bermuda Triangle its ominous reputation. From the unexplained disappearance of Flight 19 in 1945 to the vanishing of the USS Cyclops in 1918, numerous incidents remain unresolved. Theories abound, ranging from magnetic anomalies disrupting navigation systems to natural phenomena such as methane gas eruptions or rogue waves. Some even speculate about extraterrestrial involvement. However, despite extensive research and investigations, the Bermuda Triangle's secrets continue to elude us. Whether the tales are fact or fiction, the mystique of this area persists, captivating the imagination of the curious and leaving us to ponder the mysteries of the unknown. Join us as we delve deeper into the baffling enigma of the Bermuda Triangle.
If you want to watch Google Maps revolutionized, AI-powered real-time navigation, stay updated with AI news, click on left. If you want to watch how to make professional scary channel with AI tools, AI Faceless YouTube channel ideas, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this AI Faceless YouTube channel ideas series. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.